In this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallet. Once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to where it says Banks and Cards and then press on Add New. Then down below it says add to wallet, a bank account, or your debit or credit card. In this case, we want to link a bank account, so we'll go ahead and press on banks. On this page right here, you're going to have a list of popular banks, or you can go to the search bar at the top and search up your bank. But for this example, we'll just go back here and we will go ahead and press on TD as an example. So once you're on this page right here, it's going to bring you to this page where you can go ahead and sign into your TD account or sign into your bank account. And once that is done, you can go to the bottom, press on Agree and Link, and then you can link your bank account to your PayPal account this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to link your bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.